What's up, y'all? Let's learn how to use the assisted dip machine to build your dip strength. So, for starters, I would put the weight pin on the machine at about the middle setting. So not too low, not too high. It's really going to depend on how much you weigh and your strength. From there, you'll step up to the machine, push down on the machine with one of your knees to put you in the position with that weight. Get your hands in a comfortable position, and then try to get your shoulder below your elbow joint, and then extend your elbows fully at the top. That's a full dip position. You should ideally find a weight where you can do that exact movement 10 times, okay? To get off the machine, gently put one of your legs down, bring the other knee up, and then you're good to go. I'm going to show you also what it looks like to put too much weight on this at first. As you can see here, I'm hanging out. I could eat a meal up here, not moving at all. That's what it looks like if you have it too high. Too low, it's going to be way too difficult for me or for you. So I'm going way down. Yeah, I can't fight up there. I probably could, but that's exactly how it would look like. So at the end of the day, remember those good dip techniques, trying to get those shoulders below your elbow, pausing for a second at the bottom, pressing all the way up to where you're extending your elbows nice and straight. And then from there, over time, you can add less and less weight to this to where you will be doing a full dip with no problem.